Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. By the end of it, you should be able to use the sine rule to calculate unknown sides. But this time we're looking at non-right angled triangles, so we're no longer using SOHCAHTOA. So this is the sine rule for finding unknown sides. So one thing these kind of questions have in common with those in right-angled triangles, we need to make sure we label sides correctly. However, we're going to label them in a totally different way. So in this formula, these little letters, they mean sides, and the big letters mean angles. The point is that a side has to be opposite the angle with the same letter. So if I'm just going to draw a random triangle like this, doesn't matter which you call A, B, and C, as long as side A is opposite angle A, side B is opposite angle B, and side C is opposite angle C. So we're now going to use this formula to find an unknown side in a non-right angled triangle. So let's look at this triangle down here, and we're going to find A, an unknown side. So this is clearly not a right-angled triangle. 40 plus 14 is 54, so this angle would have to be 126. No right angles, not a right-angled triangle. So we can't use SOHCAHTOA, but we can use the sine rule up here. So the sine rule is this: A over sine A. So that would be A over sine 40, because of course if this is side A, the opposite angle is angle A. So that's equal to B, which I'll call the 8 centimeter side, over sine of B. So sine of B will be sine of the angle opposite B. So now we have an equation, we just solve it. So this number sine 40, it's not a nice number, but it is just a number. So if we want to get A by itself and solve this equation, we just times each side by sine 40. That will get rid of the fraction. So then I'll be left with 8 times sine 40 over sine 14. So remember, when you have a fraction like this one here, and you times it by a number, you only times that number by the top, by the numerator. I don't times top and bottom by sine 40, I only times the top by sine 40. So if you put that on your calculator, again, we've got to make sure our calculator is in degrees mode. You get about 21.26, that's to 2 decimal places, and of course it will be centimeters because this side here was centimeters. That's how you use the sine rule to find sides. It's really simple. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.